When you're getting tested for COVID-19, good luck. I hope you get negative results. When you're starting your day, you want positive results. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. And I've come across recently some materials that I worked on 4 or 5 years ago that I haven't seen, and I looked at them. I said, boy, I need to share these because once again, principles remain the same. And today's topic is going to be positive mental attitude, so please be positive and bear with me. When you wake up and shut off the opportunity clock, some people call it the alarm clock, reclose your eyes and give thanks for the many things that have been given to you. Start each gratuitous sentence by saying, thank you for, and then put in what you're thankful for. Acknowledge at least 20 thank yous, please. Feel grateful and begin your day with an attitude of gratitude. Don't forget to give thanks for the good things that have happened to your friends and relatives as well. Read your affirmation out loud, or at least move your lips as you read it. Don't do it silently. Move your lips when you're reading. Visualize the end result of your goal, your burning desire. Feel it, see it, touch it, hear it, smell it. See it as a moving picture. Feel the happiness that you've already achieved it. Walk and talk and dress and smile and have confidence like you have the end result already. Express gratitude. Smile at yourself in the mirror. Smile with your eyes. There's not a simpler way to express yourself than with a smile. Acknowledge your positive attitude with sincere good morning greetings to everyone you see. If someone walks in your direction and they're not smiling, be generous. Give them one. Transmit the frequency of gratitude. Consistently look for good. Say thank you, sincerely, as many times as you can during the day. Be negative. Proudly be the stop sign for negative rumor or gossip. Practice tolerance, keep quiet when provoked, and practice the golden rule. Use softening statements when tweaking other people. Recognize something positive first and then suggest something that may be better than the present course of action that they're taking. As an example, you did such a good job here. Don't you think it would be really positive to maybe try this instead of what you're doing? So give a positive, then a negative. That's a softening statement. You may say something like, I know how you feel. I felt the same way myself. But you know what I found? Once again, feel, felt, found. I know how you feel. I felt the same way myself. But you know what I found? And then go into your little dissertation. This is the difference between encouragement and critique. End your encouraging words with a sincere smile, with your eyes included, in the words, does that make sense? Be more interested in others and less interesting about yourself. Remember that the typical person's favorite topic of conversation is themselves. Visualize the most positive possible results. The last thing you do tonight is to repeat your affirmation. Visualize your achievement just as you did in the morning. You've already acquired your goal. Express gratitude. Good night. Get that vibe as the last thing out there. You know, you have 4 choices when confronting a negative attitude. 1, ignore the symptoms. 2, work on the symptoms. 3, excuse the symptoms. Or 4, treat the symptoms and cure the disease. Guess what? The answer is number 4. That was from about 5 years ago, and I saw it and it's apropos. I thought I would share it with you. I appreciate your patience with me because obviously I was reading it, and because we will never end a meeting on a philosophical note. Why don't we all get out there and charge? I'm Eli's dad.